Okay, ready? Okay. Hello everybody, this is Michaela, and, well, I just put up a dedication to Tape Maker 11, and, I was trying to tell her about the dedication, but, this movie is to tell her that I made her a dedication, because I can't leave a comment on her channel for some reason. It's not working for me. Because I put on a channel that I made her dedication, but the comment won't come on. I don't know why. So, this movie is so that Tape Maker 11 can know that I made her a dedication. So, I hope you can make your channel be fixed again, because you are really cool. So, peace out, homies. Okay, I need to turn this off now.